It's Monday, February 24th. Welcome to your Daily Cup of Cyber. Today we're diving into some major cybersecurity headlines that you need to know about. First up, there's a dangerous browser update scam targeting Microsoft Windows users. Attackers are injecting malicious JavaScript into legitimate websites, showing fake browser update warnings. If you see a pop-up claiming you need to update Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, don't click it. Many of today's browsers update automatically, not alerting the user through a pop-up, and these fake alerts are just trying to install malware called NetSupportRat that can steal your credentials and take control of your PC. Always update your browsers through their built-in settings menu, not through website pop-ups. Manufacturing firms are facing a serious cybersecurity crisis. A new study shows that 80% of manufacturers saw a spike in security incidents last year, but less than half are properly prepared. What's particularly concerning is that these attacks are costing companies up to $2 million in downtime. The old method of air-gapping systems just isn't cutting it anymore, as companies integrate more smart technology. If you're in manufacturing, it's crucial to have a clear security strategy and invest in both IT and OT protection. And now for an update on the biggest crypto heist in history. Bybit Exchange just lost $1.5 billion in digital assets. The North Korean Lazarus Group managed to compromise their cold storage wallet, which is supposed to be the most secure way to store crypto. This is a stark reminder that even the most sophisticated security measures can be breached. Anyone holding cryptocurrency should consider using multiple wallets, enabling all security features, and regularly checking your exchange's security practices. Check out the links at the end of today's show, where the team at CyberTales discusses this attack and the Lazarus Group in general. Before we wrap up, here are your quick action items for the week. Check your browser update settings are on automatic. Never click update pop-ups on websites. And if you're in manufacturing, push for a comprehensive security assessment of both your IT and OT systems. Thanks for joining me today for your Daily Cup of Cyber. As always, the links for all of these stories are in the show notes so you can learn more. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and stay secure, and I'll catch you in the next episode.